I think there's a lot that people are missing. I mean, how to connect to the natural world has been part of my educational, process. I have been organic gardening for almost 40 years, and I came to North Carolina from the mountains of Virginia and West Virginia. The Rise Uprooted project, what I'm trying to do is bring people here and give them the opportunity to connect to growing their own food, connecting to the ecology of the place, and enjoying just a learning vacation.
By going and visiting a farm, you're going to see ingredients that you've never cooked before, and then maybe you take them home with you and prepare something. When it comes time to cooking those, the last thing you want to do is burn it, overcook it, do something where you end up having to toss it. It creates this respect.
What I'm doing here is growing on a small scale in a very intimate way. For me to harvest, I started early in the morning, and by the time I'm done and ready to go to town with my deliveries, I put in 6 hours.
The best thing that we've done with a lot of our farmers is develop these consistent orders. Tom from Rise Uprooted, who gives us all our greens, he knows that if he's got them, we'll take them, and we'll take X number.
Without the relationships that I have built, with Katie Button being an example of, I wouldn't be able to exist without her support, because I'm so small.
It would be wonderful if the spotlight would get shown on farmers or other people in the industry. The products have to be prepared properly, and that requires a very talented, diligent farmer. We can only make things shine that shine themselves on their own. I feel like I do very little cooking and creating. Emphasizing this connection of people to the farm and the restaurant and understanding the full circle, that's the main importance and goal of the Fork to Farmer project.